Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to check defrost sensor of Hisense refrigerators. So if the defrost cycle is not working properly in the Hisense refrigerators, we need to check defrost sensor. So we need to take a multimeter and select multimeter on the kilo ohms mode. Means if you are having 20 kilo ohms option in your multimeter, then you can select 20 kilo ohms, otherwise select kilo ohms and take both of the probes of the multimeter and insert in the connector of defrost sensor. So after connecting, you will find some resistance value on the display. As you can see, 1.594 resistance means it is kilo ohms resistance. So now I will give some heat to the sensor using my hand or fingers. So now you can see, if I am giving some heat or rubbing the sensor, the resistance is getting down instantly. It means the sensor is heating and the sensor is sensing heat. And now I will leave sensor in the open air. Now after reach to the room temperature, the sensor will start increasing the resistance value. So as you can see on the display, resistance values are getting up. So like this we can check the defrost sensor of Hisense refrigerator.